Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create about us section page. So the first thing I will be doing is I will screenshot this page. I will screenshot it, then I will take it to my Figma page. So I will also paste what I've already screenshotted. I'll paste it on my camera by pressing Ctrl V, which I have done, and you can also see it here. So the next thing I will do is I will open a plugin called Text Extractor. I will extract all the text that was used for this page. That's the About Us page section. Then I will get all the text that was used. Then after I've already done that one, then I will also extract all the color code that was used for the About Us section also. So let me close this plugin. Then let me just move this one by the side. So let me open my plugin again. Open color extractor. Then I clicked on what I want to extract. Where I want to extract all those colors from. So I'll get palette. So still waiting for the palette to be generated. Now that I've already generated the color palette for this About Us section, so the first thing I need to do is you can either press your letter T and punch it on your keyboard, or you come to your the content you have already extracted out. So let me just copy About Us section, then let me cut it, then I will paste it on my Canva here, right? Then the next one is our vision and mission statement, right? Then let me also copy our vision and mission and also do the same thing here, right? So I will extract, I will highlight both of them, right? Highlight both of them, then I will turn them to auto layout. So I will change the size of this About Us to to let me leave it as 18, right? Then let me increase our vision and vision and mission statement, right, to 32, right? Then so once I've already increased the size, if you notice that when I increase the size, everything broke into two. Then let me just come back to this place. Let me make sure that it's in which content, right? So then let me change the color code of this to this. Then I will change the font weight to black or bold. Let me change it to bold. Let me change it to bold. Right. Let me add this color code to it. Okay, let me just remove it. Let me just use medium. Let me use medium. Then for About Us, let me just copy this color code for About Us, right? Then also put it there. So you can use any font of your choice. To me, I'm using Noto Sans, so I can either use Inter and the likes. So it depends on what you want to use, depends on your project you're working on. So this gap, let me reduce it. That's not the gap I will be working on. So because we are using four dimension, So let me just make use of 16, right? Then let me just duplicate this one. Let me by pressing Ctrl D, Ctrl D. So then I will copy this. Let me copy it. Then I will insert it. I will insert it. Let me just cut it here. Let me just insert it. So I've already inserted this, right? Then I will change the color code to this one. Let me just copy it and do that. So I've already done this. Then the line height, let me just add line height to it. Let me just say 150. 150 is much. 150%. 150%. Yeah. Let me add 150% to it. So once I'm through with that, let me just duplicate this section into two by pressing Ctrl D, right? Then I will turn both of them to auto layout also by pressing Shift A, right? Then the gap between both of them is 40. Let me leave it as 40. Then let me remove the text that is inside. Then I will change this one. I will change it to my image. Let me reduce the size a little bit. Let me change it here to image. So this is for my image. Then this is for my text, right? This is for my text, right? So then let me duplicate this section. Let me duplicate this section. Let me duplicate this section. Then I will turn both of them to auto layout. Then I will change the flow to vertical, right? So let me delete our vision and mission statement. I will duplicate this one. Okay, before I duplicate this, we have awards and 50%, 50 plus. So let me just copy it. This is awards, cut. This is awards. Let me just copy the color code, insert it here. So how did I copy? I just press Ctrl Alt C to copy the color code, and I press Ctrl Alt V to insert the color code. Here we have 50 plus. So let me just enter it manually. 50 plus. Then let me increase it to around 40. Oh, let me say 48, right? 48 is okay. Then I will change the font weight to bold. Then I'll also change the color code for this one to this. So this is fine by me. Then so let me duplicate this into 3 sections. So let me highlight both everything, turn it to auto layout, then change the direction to horizontal, right? Then from which content I'll make sure that I change it to fill container. So same goes as this one also. So I will highlight 3 of them, I change it to fill container. Then I will remove the gap. I will remove the gap from 40 to 0. So I want to make sure this is what I want to do next. This line, that's what I want to create next. So I will first know what's width the width of this. The width is 2217.67. So let me create a line for this. I press my L, then hold my shift to make sure that the line is straighten. Then let me copy the width. Let me just copy the width by pressing Ctrl C, then click on my line, insert insert the the uh, the length I've copied. Then I will change the color code to this one, right? So once I've already done that, I'll also replace it with the stroke. Then I will duplicate this stroke into two, then reduce the upper one. I'll reduce the upper one and change the color code to this, right? So I'm already doing that. I will highlight both of them and turn it to and group them by pressing Ctrl G. I will cut this. So what will I do next? So this award, I will duplicate it into two, duplicate it again. Then I will replace it with the line by pressing Shift Ctrl R to replace, right, and duplicate it again. Then I will turn both of them to auto layout. Then I will change the direction to horizontal. So either group 1 or group 2, anyone. I'll duplicate it, so I'll make sure that there are 3 in number. Then I will change the gap to 0. So this is what we have now. So for this we have years of experience. Let me change this one. Let me just go and copy it. We have footballers. After footballers is years of experience. Let me change this one to footballers. This is footballers. Then what do we have next? We have years of experience. We have years of experience. Let me also insert it. So years of experience is 16. Football, we have 120. Yeah. So that's just it. That's for footballers. So let's increase the size from 18 to 16. 18 to 16. So we want to reduce the size from 18 to 16. Yeah, this is okay. This is fine by me. Then for the picture, so now let's insert the picture. So I'll click on it, then I'll click on view. So once I already click on view, then I'll go to picture, then I'll insert the picture. So I've already inserted the picture. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll turn my frame 3 to another auto layout. So the auto layout I'll be creating is for the background. Then I'll give it a padding of 64, then top of 112, right? Then I'll make sure that it's in huge content, right? So let me change it to few. So here it is. So let's play what we have already done. Before we play, I've forgotten to add a corner radius to it. Let me add corner radius to my picture. So let me just say my corner radius is 8, right? 8 is okay. Let me increase it a little bit. Let me increase my picture a little bit. Yeah. So this is fine. This is fine. So let me see. Okay. Let me about us and our vision and mission. Let me also turn it to auto layout. Right. Then let me give this a distance. Let me give this a distance of 32. Right. So this is okay. It's okay. So what's the distance between this one and this one? Is 40. It's okay like this. Yeah. This is good. This is good. So now let's play what we have already done. Let's cross check. So this is what we have already created. This is what we have already created. So now if you notice that we didn't create a frame for our section. So let me just change this one to 1440. Sorry. Let me change it from this place. My width to 1440. So that's my width. Yeah. Then let me make sure that they are the center. Which contains sorry. Okay, so let me increase the size of the picture a little bit. Let me increase the size of the picture. Yeah, it's okay like this. Let's leave it. Yes, this good. This okay. It's okay. So that's all for today's class. Thanks. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. So which design do you want us to do next? Please drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Bye.